Swan on the chair. So Neil's gonna start facing his chair. We are on one spring, medium to heavy. Heavier will give your client more assistance. Hands go to the front edge of the box. You're gonna bring your belly button all the way to the edge. Once your belly finds the edge, legs are in the air, hands come onto the pedal. You can even use the outside rungs if your client is super tight. We wanna avoid the shoulders rounding forward. Feet are in Pilates V, heels together, toes apart. Neil presses the pedal all the way down. Awesome. Finding that length, feeling the belly connect. As we open our collarbones, we lift up, finding our back extension, finding the length. Beautiful, Neil. And then feeling the belly connect, pressing the carriage all the way back down. Awesome. Inhale, we find length, lifting up through the crown of the head, opening through the collarbones. And then finding that reach down. One more. If your client has a tight low back, as you come up, you can separate the legs. Finding that reach, maybe it helps them come up a little higher, and then closing back to the Pilates V as you push the pedal down. From here, bending at the elbows, you're gonna slowly bring one hand at a time back onto the chair. Bringing our feet down to the floor, and then keep your hands there and take a little stretch back, pressing the hips back, finding that length, and then finding the hips back over the heels, rounding up through the spine, one vertebrae at a time. And that's our Swan on the chair. Great job, Neil.